Prince Harry's immigration status in the United States has come under renewed scrutiny after a legal battle over his visa application reached a critical turning point. The controversy stems from his own admissions of past drug use in his explosive memoir Spare, where he detailed his experiences with cocaine, marijuana, and psychedelic substances. These revelations have sparked a legal push from conservative think tank the Heritage Foundation, which is seeking to determine whether Harry was truthful on his U.S. visa application, or if he violated immigration law by withholding crucial information. On March 18, 2025, a U.S. district judge ordered the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, to release a heavily redacted version of Prince Harry's visa records. The documents, however, left more questions than answers, as most critical details, including whether he disclosed his drug use, were blacked out. The Heritage Foundation argues that this lack of transparency raises serious concerns about preferential treatment for the Duke of Sussex, who has been living in California since stepping down from royal duties in 2020. U.S. immigration law is strict when it comes to drug use. According to the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, an applicant who admits to past drug use may be deemed inadmissible and denied a visa. The law explicitly states that non-citizens who have used controlled substances, even without criminal convictions, could be barred from entry unless they receive a waiver. The controversy hinges on whether Harry truthfully disclosed his history with drugs when applying for his visa. His own statements in Spare describe using cocaine at age 17 and experimenting with psychedelics like magic mushrooms and ayahuasca. Under normal circumstances, such admissions could trigger an automatic visa denial, but Harry was granted residency and has lived in the U.S. for several years. The Heritage Foundation's lawsuit argues that if he failed to disclose this information, his visa approval could constitute a violation of immigration law, raising the question: should Prince Harry face consequences, including potential deportation? While the debate intensifies, legal experts have weighed in on the possibility of Harry being deported. Many argue that his past drug use alone does not automatically warrant expulsion from the U.S. They point out that immigration officers often have discretion when reviewing applications, and exceptions are sometimes made for high-profile individuals or those with strong ties to the country. However, former immigration officials have noted that Harry's case could set a dangerous precedent. If it turns out that he did not disclose his drug use, this raises questions about the integrity of the immigration system, said Samuel Dewey, a legal fellow at the Heritage Foundation. Why should an average applicant be penalized while a royal is given special treatment?